And more tri-staters have switched to high-deductible health plans this year as their employees look to save money on health insurance. And these new plans, they can be big money savers. But as one Warren County woman learned, you have to watch them much more closely than those old-style health plans. Laura Nickel thought her new high-deductible health plan would be a money saver, with monthly premiums much lower than before. But that was until she needed serious medical care.
We paid her $3,000 for the deductible, and after that, they started sending us bills for 20%.
That's right. She started getting bills even after she met her deductible.
I had over 30 claims that were that 20%, so there were a lot of claims for $20, $20, $20.
As with most high-deductible plans, Laura was to pay with her own money from an HSA account until her bills hit $3,000.
And the deal was supposed to be it was paid 100% after that.
But it didn't. Laura says it took multiple phone calls to convince her insurer that she should have full coverage at that point. But more bills even after you meet your deductible is a growing complaint. The New York Times and the Wall Street Journal, in recent reports on the downside of high-deductible plans, say enrollees are often promised 100% coverage on preventive care. But what's preventive is open to interpretation. And some plans still charge 20% after you meet your deductible. Also, going out of network can mean huge copays. And if your whole family's enrolled, full coverage may not kick in at $2,500. You may have to meet a family maximum of $5,000 out of pocket first. Laura says read and understand your new plan so you can spot incorrect charges when they happen. Now, these plans can be big money savers, especially if you're young and relatively healthy. However, critics say if your family has serious medical issues, you may want to consider staying with a more traditional plan if you can afford it. And unfortunately, traditional plan premiums are rising sharply. On WCPO.com right now, my report on a bridal shop that destroyed new wedding gowns instead of marking them down on sale. Read the story about these unhappy brides, so you don't waste your money. Tanya.
All right, thank you, John.